a very interesting sum on inequality of class 11 from NCERT exemplar. Mod of x minus 2 minus 1 over mod of x minus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. We have to find the solution here. So, at first, let mod of x minus 2 equal to y. So, this equation reduces to y minus 1 over y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, we should conclude from this inequation that y minus 1 over y minus 2 is equal to 0. That means it is a negative number. It is a negative number. So either numerator y minus 1 greater equal to 0 and y minus 2 less than 0. This is case 1. Case 1. And case 2, y minus 1 less equal to 0 and y minus 2 greater than 0. Look here, it is very interesting to note that y minus 2, that is denominator, never equal to 0. Because if denominator equal to 0, it is undefined in nature. So, we always put equality sign at the place of numerator. So, case 1, y minus 1 greater equal to 0 and y minus 2 less than 0. If this case arises, then we can say the fraction is a negative number, because numerator, in this case, numerator is positive and denominator is negative. Here, numerator is positive and denominator is negative. And here, y minus 1 less equal to 0 and y minus 2 greater than 0, that is numerator is negative and denominator is positive. So, this case also states that this fraction is a negative number. Now, let us discuss on these two cases. Case 1, y minus 1 greater equal to 0 and y minus 2 less than 0. It states that y greater equal to 1 and y less than 2. But it states that this number line, it is 1 and here 2. Y greater equal to 1, that means y lies in this zone, and y less than 2, that means y lies in this zone. So, here we get 1 less equal to y less than 2. And here we put the value of y, that is mod of x minus 2 less than 2. Now we have to consider two cases of modulus function. Subcase 1, when x minus 2 greater equal to 0, it reduces to 1 less equal to x minus 2 less than 2. That is 3 less equal to x less than 4. And subcase 2, if x minus 2 less than 0, that is this inequation reduces to 1 less equal to minus of x minus 2 less than 2. We have to recall the modulus function here. Mod of x equal to x when x greater equal to 0 and mod of x equal to minus x when x less than 0. So when x minus 2 less than 0, mod of x minus 2, that means minus of x minus 2. So here we can say that minus 1 greater equal to x minus 2 greater than minus 2, because we multiply with a negative sign of the three items. So inequation sign changes here. Now if we add plus 2, that is minus 1 plus 2 greater equal to x minus 2 plus 2 greater than minus 2 plus 2. So we get 1 greater equal to x greater than 0. Now we have to combine these two results. So here x belongs to close interval 3, 4 union 0, 1. That is, we get a valid zone where this inequation satisfies. Now we have to consider case 2. Case 2 states that y minus 1 less equal to 0, that is y less equal to 1 and y greater than 2. But if you put on the number line 1, 2, y less equal to 1, that means this zone, and y greater than 2, that means this zone. But we can realize that these two zones never intersect. So this is a absurd result of y, that is both the inequation, that is y less equal to 1 and y greater than 2, both inequation does not satisfy by a value of y. So only the solution is x belongs to close interval 3, 4 union open interval 0, 1. Now pause the video to note it down. Thank you.